Hi, I am Kevalyanshi, and today I'm going to show you something that is going to completely transform the way you manage your real estate leads. Let's take a very common scenario you all must have faced. A lead lands up on your website, fills out a form, but nothing happens. And by the time your team actually follows up with that lead, they have already contacted three different agents. So, what if I told you that this lead could be stored into your CRM, managed, scored, and also followed up all just within 30 seconds? Yes, we have developed a holistic and fully automated system that is going to take care of all of these things without any manual intervention. So, let me show you how this exactly takes place. So I'm going to play Kevalyanshi, who is looking for 2 or 3 BHK apartment in Bandra with a budget of about 4 to 5 crores. So as soon as I fill out this Google form, as you can see on my screen, I would be filling all of my details here. So let us see. You have to place your phone number with plus and your country code without any spaces. And as soon as I click on the submit button, I would be receiving a call over my cell phone. Here we go. So as soon as I click on the submit response, I must get a call over my number that has been pushed before. As you can see on the screen, I'm receiving a call. This would be the agent that is going to lead us forward to everything from now on. So let us see what happens next. I would be picking up this call.
Hi, I'm Priya from Growth Tech Real Estate. Am I talking to Kaivalyanshi?
Yes.
Hi, Kaivalyanshi. This is Neha from Growth Tech Real Estate. You had submitted an inquiry about purchasing a property, right? Do you have a few minutes to talk?
Yes, we can continue.
Great. So tell me, where are you looking for a property? Which city or area?
I'm looking forward to shifting Mumbai next month. So do you have any possible or good options for me over there?
Mumbai is an excellent choice. Do you have a particular reason for choosing Mumbai, or are there any specific areas in Mumbai you're interested in?
Yeah, I am looking forward to shifting to Bandra because that would be the topmost choice when it comes to my work preference.
Got it. Bangalore is a tier of prime area with excellent connectivity and amenity. Now, one important thing, what's your budget for the property? How much are you looking to invest?
Can we take it for around about 2 to 3 crores?
Perfect. Let me just confirm your requirement. A location Bandra, a budget around 2 to 3 crore. Any specific requirements for the property, like the amount of bedrooms or amenity?
No, as of now, I do not have any specifications.
Got it. Give me just a moment while I search for the available properties in my database that match your requirement.
This is the part where AI would be searching the possible choices we have.
I found some properties in Bandra within your budget of 5 to 12 crore. Would you like me to share the details of these properties and schedule visit?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect. Based on my calendar availability, I can schedule a property visit on Thursday, July 24th or Friday, July 25th. Which date works better for you?
Friday would work better.
Great choice. For Friday, July 25th, would you prefer a morning visit or an afternoon visit?
Do we has do we have a slot for evening?
Yes, we do have slots available in the later part of the afternoon, which extends into the early evening. I can schedule it around 3:30 or 4:30 on Friday, July 26th. Which
Yeah.
time works better for you?
4:30 p.m. works.
Awesome. Let me confirm your property visit for Friday, July 25th at 4:30 p.m. just to make sure I have this right. That's Friday, July 25th at 4:30. Correct?
Yes.
Perfect. Your property visit is now confirmed for Friday, July 25th at 4:30 p.m. Please bring a valid ID with you and I'll you a confirmation message with the property addresses and all the details shortly. If you have any other questions before then, feel free to reach out. Looking forward to helping you find your dream property in Andhra. Have a wonderful day, Kaivalyachi.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day, Kaivalyanshi. Talk to you soon. Take care.
So, as demonstrated, our AI agent is developed to deeply understand and differentiate between client preferences and their actual needs and develops and delivers accordingly. So, with a response time of 30 seconds, 100% accurate data capture, zero lead fall throughs, and consistent professionalism, these AI agents proves it every single time. And the results speaks for themselves. 3 times higher lead conversion rates. So these AI agents actually focus on building the relationship with customers rather than chasing down the data or fixing the errors. The best part, our AI agent could be used globally. So whether you're looking forward to a luxurious apartment in Bandra, Mumbai, or a penthouse in London's Kingston, all of it could be easily done using our AI agent. And the cherry on top is this AI agent is multilingual. So it doesn't matter whether you speak English, Hindi, or any other regional language. The AI is automatically going to change its conversational tone and adapt to the culture accordingly. So this is how we develop a system that gives out the maximum result with the minimal investment. So moving on and reaching to the last part of this holistic system that we have for you, that is how the leads are being stored into a CRM and how the follow-up sequence is being scheduled once they have the appointment done for their visit to the sites they're looking forward to over the call. Let's move on. Now let's take a look at post-scheduling automation in action. So once your appointment is scheduled over a call, your name is added as a lead into our CRM. In this case, we are using Pipedrive. So as you can see on my screen, once I had a call and showed interest in visiting the property, my name has been added to this status that shows property showing scheduled, and here is my name. This makes it extremely easier for you to track where each lead stands. As you can see on my screen, we have different statuses made for you that makes easy for you to instantly check whether the lead needs further nurturing or it is ready to get converted. This is how this process is very much classified as per your use. Now, the second half of this post scheduling automation, which was receiving an email that would be confirming your scheduling and the location. So, as you can see on my screen, I have received a mail that gives me all of the information regarding my time, the date, who is the organizer, and it also has an invite that contains the details regarding the venue where I have to reach, and from there we would be continuing our visit to various property. So this system is holistic yet modular. Each component has its individual importance but comes together to form one complete system that works efficiently end to end. So what are you waiting for? Let's build this system for your business. And if you need any walkthrough or want it tailored according to your needs, feel free to reach us out at GrowStacks Automation Solutions. We are here to help you scale smarter, not harder. This is final. Thanks for watching. We hope this helps you take your business to the next level in this new era of AI-powered productivity.